Once upon a time, in a tiny, peaceful village nestled in the heart of a dense forest, lived a kind and brave boy named Sam. Sam was known as the Outrider, for he was always the first to leave the village on his trusty steed, Shadow, to explore the unknown. One sunny day, Sam decided to embark on a new adventure. He saddled up Shadow and set off, the forest whispering secrets as they went. They rode for hours, the sun setting behind them, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink. Suddenly, they found a mysterious path hidden among the trees. Curiosity piqued, Sam and Shadow ventured down the path, the undergrowth brushing against their legs. The air grew colder, and the forest seemed to grow quieter. As they walked, they came across a clearing. In the center stood a beautiful ancient tree, its branches reaching out like arms, welcoming them. At the base of the tree, a glowing orb pulses with a soft, warm light. Sam approached the orb, his heart racing with excitement. He reached out and touched it, and as he did, the orb spoke, "I am the guardian of the forest. I have been waiting for someone like you, Sam, to help me." Sam was amazed, and he asked, "What do you need from me?" The guardian explained that a dark force had taken over part of the forest, and it was up to Sam to help restore balance. With a newfound determination, Sam and Shadow set off to defeat the darkness. They battled against the shadows, their spirits never wavering. They fought bravely, and with the help of the guardian, they were able to restore balance to the forest. As they returned to the village, the people cheered for Sam, their hero. The forest was once again peaceful, and Sam knew he would always be the outrider, protecting his home and the forest he loved. And so, Sam and Shadow lived happily ever after, ready for the next adventure that awaited them in the heart of the forest. The end.